A lot of heads that I meet, like you say, you're talking about philosophy and ethos and what does it actually mean to you, and the minute you start talking to them, it's like, well, I'm not sure, and you do get that imbalance, and it's where you just, if that's what you believe in, don't have something else going on in your school, because actually that's not, it has to be part of what it's your strategic view, isn't it? Yes. It's about you having that vision and where you're going with it, and how can you impart that to the rest of the organisation so that it works.